Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and here we are on the bow of the Sea Ray 230 SPX. Anchor locker, starboard and port storage below the seats, in-floor fish box or storage, wind gate on the bow of the 230 SPX. It's the 23 SPX, so special. Head compartment. At the helm of the 23 SPX, you have tilt wheel, the new Fusion stereo system, Simrad touch display, tachometer, and a multi-gauge. Floor storage, ski locker, storage under this seat, storage under this seat, a cooler, removable under this seat, an area for a table, come out. We also have storage here. Battery switch, as well as storage. Here we have additional storage and your battery trays. This little latch, and you have your engine compartment, as well as additional storage. It has the optional swim platform, as well as the ski hook. And this was the Sea Ray 230 SPX. I'm Jim Ferg from MarineMax. You can contact me at 609-494-2102. Thank you.